Say bye-bye, subscribe.
I got this Lumene. This is awesome. This is Invisible Illumination Beauty Serum. Let me set that down. Then I got the blush and I got the luminizer. So we're going to go and I'm just going to swatch these today on my arm.
Yep, and the radar.
This is perfect. You could put all over your face. I'm going to be putting it underneath my foundation for my photos. Yeah. You like it? Comes in a dropper like this. I love droppers. I'm going to put it right there in my hand. It's just the lightest color and you can rub it in.
Yep.
See? Just like that. It's very silky. I like it. Now we're going to go into the blush. They're all in like really nice glass. You just shake it. It's really, really pretty glass. Like that. Just going to show you guys in a video how it is. See the glass? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. So we're just going to rub it in. It's a very lightest color. You can add more. I don't know if the light's showing it, but it is very pretty and it is hydrating. And you could put it like here. Like I got a crazy glow going on today. And then I got the, this is the visible, this is the instant luminizer. So we're going to shake it, looks like that. This one is like one of my favorites. This is seriously a must have because I'm all about that glow. So we're going to put that, and you can put that on like I do as a base, or you can put it on your whole face if you want to. Like that, see it? That is so pretty. So yeah, these are perfect. You guys can check out my Instagram for more. I'm loving these. These are awesome and I will be doing a ton more looks on these, so stay tuned.